Auxiliary services, how to add form of payment. If you can price a service by TM entry, you can add form of payment. For example, the first and the second services, we can price it with after pricing. TM slash service type plus service line. And then you can add to these services form of payment. Or if you price service with manual pricing via TT entry, it will be the third service. Also, you can add form of payment to this pricing. If you add manual price via mask, MD mask, you add form of payment in this mask on the last page. So it's not necessary to add form of payment to the service with AMD mask, with saved pricing via AMD mask. So let's add form of payment to service number 2 and service number 3. Service number 2 with after pricing and number 3 with manual pricing via TT entry. Entry for form of payment is PF, then slash, you should tell system type of service plus service line number. If you want to add form of payment to few services with different service type, you can do it in one entry. Form of payment for the service on line number 2, service type is F plus service type is C plus service line is number 3. Then double slash and form of payment, for example, invoice and invoice number. You can add between these two slashes amount. For example, if these two services paid partially by invoice, partially by cash. For example, let's price at first these services, the second and the third. You will see amount. Then let's add 10,000 rubles by invoice and other amount will be paid by cash. Entry will be PF slash service type plus service line plus another service type plus service line slash 10,000 rubles slash code of form of payment, invoice and invoice number. System will apply this amount by invoice and remaining amount by cash. You will see this all this amount, 10,850, will be paid by invoice 10,000 and by cash 850. Let's save it. If you want to cancel this form of payment, you will use this entry, CP, like cancel pricing. Why we use CP? Because when you add form of payment, you save pricing with this form of payment. CP, then plus service line number, it will be second and third service line. And if you want to cancel pricing without service cancellation, add slash minus in the end of request. Saved pricing is deleted, then save our modification. And then when you want to check pricing with form of payment, use TMR or TMF entry, then slash F service type plus S service line plus the second service. its baggage and plus service line number 3. You will see that now it's cached.